Erlinger, Kentucky. I believe it's Suite 160, about 11,200 square feet. You're off a 275 corridor. The spot would be a total demo and redo. As you walk in, you'd actually have two doors, one over there and then this one. There's two entrances. You walk into what is currently an existing set of offices and closets. You've got two bathrooms that are approximately, if you were going to utilize them into your showroom, they're approximately 50 feet to the back wall or side wall. And you could probably incorporate those maybe with an office in here. The warehouse is kind of broken into two sections. This wall over here, which runs all the way down, would have to come down, as would the suspended ceiling. You've got on this side about an 8-foot ceiling height, and on the other side you got about an 11-foot ceiling height. All the sprinkler systems would have to be raised, all the smoke detectors, lights, the whole thing would have to be completely gutted. You have a raised floor of about 14 inches, and it looks like this was at some point some medical or clean room operation. And as you can see, you've got just a ton of electrical and copper piping on the flooring that would have to be ripped out. You have four of these, it looks like they're dehumidification systems. One here, one over there, and then two on the other side. I'll just kind of walk through. You've got a phone room back here that's got all your communication systems brought into it. This is the other side. Again, the current ceiling height is about 11.6. All this suspended ceiling will have to come out. Sprinkler systems raised, smoke detectors coming out. All these walls would have to come down to give you a clean warehouse look. You've got linoleum tile flooring that you could probably live with. That's over concrete. You have kind of like a office area in the back here that would have to come out. And this gives you kind of an idea of, once they gut it, what your warehouse would be like. You got 23-foot ceilings. You do have two 10-foot doors, bay doors, and so the ceiling height, if they can gut everything, is great. I'll just walk out here. You have two bay doors that are dock high. So loading and unloading would not be a problem. They are 10-foot wide doors. You have more electric power than you'd ever need. There are two additional bathrooms in the warehouse. Here's another dehumidification system. You might be able to just leave that, and this ductwork's pretty tight to the ceiling, so you might even be able to leave that and just disconnect it, or have them take out the ductwork. Here's all your electrical. You got a 480 volts of power coming in, 1,000 amps. And then these are the other two bathrooms that are in the warehouse here. kind of give you an idea, if they can demo everything, you'd have a great warehouse. This will kind of give you kind of a view of what your warehouse would be like. As I say, 23.5, 24 feet ceilings. It looks like all these separation walls, though, are firewalls. And again, all these would have to come down. The dimensions of the building, as I say, is from, I think it's east to west, is 70 feet. So going from this side across that way is 70 feet, and you have 160 feet north to south. It's 11,200 square feet. You may have an issue on zoning. It is zoned I-2, which is light industrial. I did put a call into the zoning officer. They're not in to find out if retail distribution would be allowed. So basically it's a complete gut rebuild, design a showroom to fit into the space. And that's it from Erlinger, Kentucky.